Alright folks, let's talk about something both fascinating and a bit terrifying. What would happen if a massive solar flare struck Earth today? First off, what is a solar flare? Imagine the sun having a sudden outburst of energy, kind of like when you shake a soda can and open it. It's a massive release of radiation and particles. Now, most solar flares are relatively harmless, but every now and then, the sun can unleash a monster flare. And that's when things get dicey. If such a flare hit Earth, the first thing we'd notice is a spectacular light show. Auroras, those beautiful dancing lights usually seen near the poles, would be visible much closer to the equator. But don't get too excited about that view just yet. The real drama happens behind the scenes. Power grids would be in serious trouble. The surge of electromagnetic radiation could overload transformers and other critical infrastructure. Imagine sitting down to watch your favorite show and boom, blackout. And it's not just your house, entire cities could go dark. But wait, there's more. Our modern life is heavily reliant on satellites for everything from GPS to communications. A massive solar flare could knock out these satellites, causing disruptions in navigation, TV broadcasts, and even internet services. Picture getting lost on your way to work because your GPS suddenly went haywire. Not fun, right? Air travel would face big challenges too. Pilots rely on radio communications and GPS for navigation. With those down, flights would be grounded or diverted, leading to massive delays. And if you're up in the air during such an event, you might experience stronger than usual turbulence. Radiation can mess with the plane's electronics. Now let's talk about the health effects. The Earth's atmosphere does a pretty good job shielding us from solar radiation, but a massive flare could increase radiation levels enough to pose risks, especially to astronauts and people flying at high altitudes. Frequent flyers and airline crew might need to take extra precautions. How prepared are we for such an event? Honestly, it's a mixed bag. Some power companies have measures in place to protect the grid, and space agencies monitor solar activity constantly. But a flare of historic proportions like the Carrington event of 1859? That's a different ballgame. We'd need rapid, coordinated responses globally to mitigate the impacts. So while the chances of a massive solar flare hitting Earth are low, it's not impossible. The next time you see a beautiful aurora, remember there's a whole lot happening behind that cosmic dance. Stay informed, stay prepared, and let's hope our sun keeps its cool. If you found this topic intriguing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. Thanks for watching.